Welcome to Lesson 1, a whole class lesson on metric conversions. Today we are focusing on metric length conversions. We want to convert between millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Meet the metric family: millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Each unit is suited for different measurements, from the width of a coin to distances between cities. The conversion ladder is essential. Moving down the ladder means you multiply, resulting in bigger numbers. Moving up the ladder means you divide, resulting in smaller numbers. Let's look at example 1, converting centimeters to meters. The problem is to convert 250 centimeters to meters. We move one step up the ladder, so we divide by 100. The result is 2.5 meters. Example 2, converting meters to centimeters. The problem is to convert 3 meters to centimeters. We move one step down the ladder, so we multiply by 100. The calculation is 3 times 100, which equals 300 centimeters. For our guided practice, we will convert 1,500 millimeters to centimeters. We identify the change, choose the operation, which is division since we move one step up, and calculate to get 150 centimeters. Now, try these conversions on your own, from millimeters to centimeters, centimeters to meters, meters to kilometers, and back. To summarize, millimeters are the smallest unit, and kilometers are the largest. Remember the conversion ladder. Down is multiply, up is divide. Always do a reality check to ensure your answer makes sense. Here are the you-do exercises. The red column focuses on conversions involving meters and centimeters. The yellow column includes kilometers. The green column mixes all units. For a greater challenge, try the you-do extreme exercises. Platinum involves additions with mixed units, requiring conversion before summing. Diamond includes more complex mixed unit operations, including subtraction. Here are the answers for the you-do exercises. Please check your work carefully against the provided results for the red, yellow, and green sections. These are the answers for the you-do extreme exercises. Note that some platinum and diamond questions require converting to a single unit before calculation. Verify your steps against these solutions. Moving on to Lesson 2, another whole class session. The aim remains converting between millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Practice converting centimeters to meters by removing 2 zeros, and meters to centimeters by adding 2 zeros. Here are some practice problems for you to work through, converting between different metric units of length. Check your answers for the Lesson 2 you-do exercises against this slide. The green section covers the main tasks, and the yellow sections provide additional conversion practice. Let's begin Lesson 3, focusing on whole class activities to practice metric conversions. The goal for this lesson is to convert between millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Focus on the rules for converting centimeters to meters and meters to centimeters. Work on these you-do exercises. The column on the left focuses on conversions between centimeters and meters. The right column offers a mix of conversions between millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers for an extra challenge. Review your work for the you-do exercises from Lesson 3. The red sections show the answers for the centimeter and meter conversions, while the yellow and green sections cover the mixed unit exercises. Now we transition to Lesson 4, designed for the red group, with conversion practice between metric units. The objective remains to convert accurately between millimeters, centimeters, meters, meters, and kilometers. The conversions here include a wider range of values and unit combinations. Here are the you-do problems for Lesson 4. The yellow column offers practice for simpler conversions, while the green column challenges you with more complex conversions across all units. Check the answers for the Lesson 4 you-do exercises. Review the solutions for both the standard and extension challenges in the red and yellow columns, and the answers for the mixed unit conversions in the green column.